guys, this is Vikas and welcome to my YouTube channel Large Coder. In today's tutorial, we are solving power of number using recursion. So here we have example input base is equal to 5 and x is equal to 3. Okay, so output is 1 to 5 like this 5 into 5 into 5 into 1 to 5. The 5 contain this number, base contain this number and x denote this this all numbers. Okay, how much numbers are there, they denote they denoted by x. Okay, so we use recursion. Basically recursion is when a function call itself, that's called recursion. Okay, so first we create a recursive function, let's say get power into base int x. ठीक है, हम we declare a method that name is like this. Okay, and we put a base condition, if x is equal to 0 then return 1, else return base into get power base x minus 1. This is our main logic, recursive logic that we are using. Okay, so let's understand the code. So here we create a main, here we create a class name main and a main method. Okay, so we create here, we declare two variable here, one is base and another is x, same like this. Okay, and we use print method to print the output, and this is the our logic of the code. Okay, so let's understand the logic. Static into get power, this is a static method. Okay, static denote static method, and the int denote the return type. Okay, and the get power is the method name, and here we pass two parameters. Okay, so if x is equal to 0 then return 1. If like this, if 5 the power 0 then the output is 1. Okay, so if x is equal not equal to 0 then he come in else part, and here we write base. Okay, so base value never change, like base if is 5 then 5 is not change, you know. And here we use method get power same like this, and we pass here minus 1 for decreasing the x value. Okay, so let's understand the process. So here I write the dry run of this code. So let's understand. So let's understand the process. So the the function call get power 5 into 3. These are the parameters. This is the base value and this is the x value. Okay, so code will come here and it say x is not equal to 0, then it come in else part. So here base is equal to 5 and get power is 5 comma 2, because we use here x minus 1. Then the function wait, then function is again call get power. Okay, so function will come here and again run. So the the get power 5 comma 2 is going to waiting. Okay, and in second call x is not equal to 0, so it's got the else part. Okay, same like previous, and the function is again wait. Okay, and the third call get power 5 minus 5 comma 1. So here x is not equal to 0, so it's got the else part. So return get power 5 is 0. The x now the x is 0, so he return x, so he return 1. Okay, so he return 1 here and come here. Yeah, you are waiting now. So he say you are waiting. So he give 1 to this third call. Okay, and the third call return 5. Okay, because 5 into 1. Okay, so the whole function return 1 and the 5 is here. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 1 is 1, and he returned the 5. Okay, and the 5 will come here, and he say, yeah, you are waiting now, so I will give you 5. ठीक है, तो 5 will come here and 5 multiply 5 and the 5 multiply by 5 is 25 because this all is 5 now and the 5 multiply by 5 is 25. Then 25 again go on first call. Yeah, you are waiting now. So he give 25 multiply by 5. So the output is 125. So he return 125. Okay. So now let's understand the pseudocode of this code. So here you can see the whole pseudocode of this code. Okay. So first we start the process, then main function, then base is equal to 5 and x is equal to 3, and print result is call get power base x. Okay. So he call this function. Okay. So this function, so function get power. This is our recursion function. Okay. And if x is equal to 0, then return 1, and else return base call get power base x minus 1. Then end function. You can understand this. I can provide this PDF in the description. You can download from the description. So now let's understand the diagram of this. So with the help of diagram, you can clear your doubts. So let's understand the diagram. So first, the get power 5 3 is called. Okay, so he return 5 into get power 5 2 because x minus 1 na. So the get power 5 2 is again call and again return 5 into get power 5 minus 1. So here x is not equal to 0. Then again call, then return 5 get power 5 0. Okay, so now x is 0. So he return 1. So he return 1. 1 will come here. Yeah, you are waiting now. So he give the 5. So 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. Then 25 will come here and 25 will multiply by 5. So so he return 125 to this and this will return 125. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and please make sure you subscribe, and you can find the whole PDF in the description.